Bring it on.
My spaghetti has sauce made with a freshly picked tomatoes from the high mountain of Italy. What about yours?
My spaghetti has banana ketchup with antioxidant, antihistamine, anti-inflammatory, and antibiotic with glutathione and cinnamon extra with ginkgo biloba. But wait, there's more. Chicken lollipop made with bouncy fresh string chicken dip in olive oil.
Yun lang ba kaya mo? Chicken lollipops? Like what the heck? I have this dessert that I concocted.
Concocted?
Oh yes! It's coconut cream and glutinous rice balls with dried jackfruit.
Ito, Sarah, ginatang bilo-bilo lang ito, no? Pinapakain ko yung mahal na araw sa pabasa.
How dare
like
you?
So jealous.
How dare you?
How dare you dare me like a devil?
I'm not there. I'm here. Duh.
Dagugan ko kayo dyan. Nag-aaway na naman ba kayo?
Ay, hindi. Nagbibiroon lang kami. Ito naman kasi. Pawis na pawis. Oy, tara! Kain na tayo. Oy, tara. May spaghetti dito. Oy, tara. Kain na. Kain na. Nakakong di ba kasunod? Ito, Sarah. Tapos na to!
Bang tatalo sa'yo